The Eiffel Tower. Just the name conjures images. Images of Paris, of romance, of history. But how much do you really know about this iron giant? This is more than a landmark. It's a symbol of human ingenuity, a testament to architectural daring. The Eiffel Tower is an icon. In this journey, we'll uncover the secrets of the Eiffel Tower. We'll explore its past, present, and enduring legacy. So, buckle up. Get ready for a trip to the City of Lights and an exploration of its most iconic landmark. Picture Paris in the late 19th century. The year is 1889. The city is buzzing with excitement. Why? Because the World's Fair is coming to town. This is a chance for nations to showcase their achievements. Among them, a daring project, a 300-meter-tall iron tower designed by Gustave Eiffel. It was a feat of engineering never attempted before. The tower was controversial. Many Parisians found it hideous. Little did they know, it would become their beloved symbol. Not everyone loved the Eiffel Tower initially. In fact, many Parisians loathed it. They called it an eyesore, a blemish on their beautiful city. Artists and writers signed petitions to halt its construction. They couldn't imagine such a structure dominating their skyline. But something interesting happened. The public was captivated. Millions flocked to the World's Fair to see the tower. It was an instant sensation. The Eiffel Tower quickly became a symbol of Paris and of France itself. The rest, as they say, is history. Building the Eiffel Tower was no small feat. It took over 2 years, from January 1887 to March 1889, to complete. Over 18,000 pieces of wrought iron and millions of rivets hold the tower together. It's a masterpiece of prefabricated construction. Gustave Eiffel, a master of metal, pioneered new techniques for its construction. His vision and skill created this enduring landmark. The tower was assembled on site, piece by piece, using massive cranes and scaffolding. It was a marvel of 19th century engineering. Section 5, Eiffel Tower by the numbers. Surprising statistics. Let's talk numbers. The Eiffel Tower stands at a staggering 330 meters tall, including its antenna. That's taller than the Statue of Liberty. It weighs over 10,000 tons and has 3 levels for visitors. Each level offers breathtaking views of the Paris cityscape. Over 250 million people have visited the Eiffel Tower since its opening. That's an average of over 6 million visitors each year. It's also one of the most photographed structures in the world. Every day, countless images of this iconic tower are captured. Section 6. Tales from the Tower, Quirky Stories and Anecdotes. The Eiffel Tower has seen it all. From the break of dawn to the fall of night, it stands tall, witnessing the ebb and flow of life in Paris. It's witnessed history, romance, and even a few bizarre events. Imagine the countless stories that have unfolded beneath its iron lattice. Let's delve into some of its tales. Each story adds a unique layer to the rich tapestry of the Eiffel Tower's legacy. Did you know that Gustave Eiffel had a secret apartment at the top of the tower? This hidden gem was a sanctuary for the man behind the masterpiece. He used it to entertain guests and conduct experiments. Imagine the conversations and discoveries that took place in that lofty perch. During World War II, when the Nazis occupied Paris, French resistance fighters cut the tower's elevator cables. This act of defiance was a bold statement against the oppressors. They didn't want Hitler to enjoy the view. The Eiffel Tower became a symbol of resistance, standing strong against tyranny. And let's not forget the countless marriage proposals that have taken place at the top. Each proposal adds to the tower's reputation as a beacon of love. The Eiffel Tower is, after all, a symbol of love and romance. Its twinkling lights have witnessed countless declarations of love, making it an eternal romantic icon. The tower also plays a central role in celebrations. During Bastille Day, it becomes the centerpiece of grand fireworks displays, lighting up the Parisian sky in a dazzling array of colors. Artists and performers flock to its base, drawing inspiration from its grandeur. Tourists from around the world capture memories with the tower as their backdrop. Through the changing seasons, the Eiffel Tower remains a constant. Whether bathed in summer sunlight, shrouded in autumn mist, or sparkling with winter frost, it continues to enchant and inspire. Behind the scenes, a dedicated team ensures its upkeep. Engineers and maintenance workers meticulously care for every inch of the iron structure, preserving its beauty for future generations. The tower's influence extends beyond its physical presence. Souvenirs and memorabilia featuring the Eiffel Tower are cherished by visitors, serving as tangible reminders of their Parisian adventure. As the sun rises and sets, casting its golden glow, the Eiffel Tower stands as a testament to human ingenuity and the enduring spirit of Paris. Its stories, both grand and quirky, continue to captivate the hearts of all who encounter it. Section 7. Eiffel Tower. Trivia. Test your knowledge. Ready for a little quiz? Let's see how much you've learned about the Eiffel Tower. Grab a pen and paper and answer these trivia questions. 1. In what year did construction of the Eiffel Tower begin? 2. How many pieces of wrought iron were used to build the tower? 3. What is the name of the engineer who designed the Eiffel Tower? Think you know the answers? We'll reveal them at the end of this section. No cheating. Section 8. Beyond the Iron Lady. Hidden Facts and Secrets. Let's uncover some lesser-known facts about the Eiffel Tower. This iconic structure, known worldwide, holds many secrets that even frequent visitors might not be aware of. It's full of surprises, even for those who think they know it well. From its construction to its daily operations, the Eiffel Tower is a marvel of engineering and history. One fascinating detail is its paint. The Eiffel Tower is painted in 3 shades of brown, a meticulous process that ensures its iconic look. The darkest shade is at the bottom, gradually lightening towards the top. This gradient effect is not just for aesthetics, it plays a crucial role in how we perceive the tower. This creates an optical illusion of uniformity, making the tower appear even more majestic and seamless against the Parisian sky. But did you know the tower is also a working post office? Yes, that's right. You can send a postcard from the first level, complete with a special Eiffel Tower postmark. It's a unique way to share your visit with friends and family. And here's a strange one. The Eiffel Tower actually shrinks and expands. This might sound like science fiction, but it's true. Due to temperature changes, its height can fluctuate by up to 15 centimeters. In the summer, the metal expands, making the tower slightly taller, while in the winter, it contracts, reducing its height. The Eiffel Tower was completed in 1889 and was initially met with criticism from many Parisians. Designed by Gustave Eiffel, it was intended to be a temporary structure for the 1889 Exposition Universelle. However, its innovative design and engineering marvel won over the public, and it became a permanent fixture of the Paris skyline. Today, the Eiffel Tower is not just a symbol of Paris, but a beacon of light. Every evening it sparkles for 5 minutes every hour on the hour, a sight that captivates millions of visitors. The tower also houses 2 restaurants, offering a unique dining experience with breathtaking views of the city. Whether you're enjoying a gourmet meal or a casual snack, the Eiffel Tower provides an unforgettable culinary adventure. Maintaining the Eiffel Tower is no small feat. It requires regular upkeep, including repainting every 7 years, to protect it from the elements and ensure it remains as stunning as ever. Visitors can also take home a piece of the Eiffel Tower experience by visiting the gift shops, which offer a wide range of souvenirs, from miniature replicas to unique Parisian gifts. Whether you're admiring it from afar or exploring its many levels, the Eiffel Tower continues to inspire awe and wonder. It's a testament to human ingenuity and a beloved symbol of romance and adventure. So next time you visit, remember these hidden facts and secrets. They add to the magic and mystery of the Iron Lady, making each visit a new discovery. Section 9. Conclusion. The enduring legacy of the Eiffel Tower. The Eiffel Tower is more than just a structure. It stands as a testament to the brilliance of human engineering and the power of imagination. When Gustave Eiffel designed this iron lattice tower for the 1889 Exposition Universelle, he could hardly have imagined the profound impact it would have on the world. It's a symbol of Paris, of France, and of human achievement. The Eiffel Tower has become synonymous with the City of Lights, representing not just the architectural prowess of its time, but also the cultural and historical richness of France. It's a beacon that draws millions from around the globe, each visitor bringing their own story and leaving with memories etched in their hearts. It's a reminder that even the most daring dreams can be realized. The construction of the Eiffel Tower was a feat of engineering that pushed the boundaries of what was thought possible. Despite initial criticism and controversy, it rose majestically above Paris, proving that innovation and perseverance can overcome skepticism and adversity. From its controversial beginnings to its status as a global icon, the Eiffel Tower continues to captivate and inspire. Over the years, it has witnessed countless historical events, from world wars to cultural revolutions, standing tall as a silent observer of the passage of time. Its iron framework has withstood the test of time, much like the spirit of the people who built it. Millions flock to its base each year, drawn to its grandeur and history. The Eiffel Tower is not just a tourist attraction, it is a pilgrimage site for those who seek to connect with the essence of human creativity and resilience. Each visitor, whether gazing up from the base or viewing the city from its heights, becomes part of its enduring legacy. So, the next time you see an image of the Eiffel Tower, remember that it's more than just a pretty picture. It's a symbol of hope and a reminder of what humanity can achieve when we dare to dream big. The Eiffel Tower stands as a monument to the endless possibilities that lie within us all. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a beacon of progress, and a symbol of the enduring power of dreams. As the sun sets and the tower lights up, it continues to inspire awe and wonder, reminding us that the sky is not the limit but just the beginning. The Eiffel Tower, with its timeless elegance and enduring legacy, will forever be a shining example of what we can achieve when we reach for the stars.